Today's post on the Baja, the walk on the beach. The last 4 winters we stayed in basically the same campground most of the time in Los Brillas, Baja Sunrise, in this trailer. And let's walk up and down the beach and see what you can see, because you see a lot of neat things walking on the same beach every day. Not only does it change every day as the ocean throws the sand around, things just come ashore and things go out. The ocean giveth and the ocean taketh. About 20 feet. I don't know, they usually don't hang out there. I'm always finding critters that ain't well hanging on the beach. He doesn't look 100%. Like a goddamn pterodactyl. This is from the guy in the boat. He throws them out. Are they swordfish? I mean, they got sword... I don't know what they are. That's our boat right there. They drag it up with the pickup. There's homelessness. That's a homeless guy. He helps the fishermen right there. Yeah, this beach here, Limit de Playa Certificada, beach border. They rake it every day. And they rake this every day. You can see it's raked. They hand rake it every day. You got nothing here, take a break.
We're still alive.
Yeah, we're still kicking there, you bastard. That is easily 6 feet. Wow, that's freaky. That was big. There it is. There it is. Or there they are.
If you go very, very slow, sometimes when you want to go the ocean on the other side.
The panoramic view. Jacques Cousteau would be proud. You have the sea urchin.
I was complaining the whole way in my head about packing these shoes, but now they've turned out to be useful. So the universe...
Weird, it's only half spiky and half...
The universe is as it should be.
We'll have to look that up on Google. No whales today. Nope. It's a dead animal week. Don't sinky as well. Pretty hard to see. That's a little tiny squid. It's got ants all over it. I'm not going to disturb it. That's the hyenas of Baja. Something up there is dead. Roadkill, who knows what. There's a lot of them. Yep, whilst you're walking on this beach, heads up. I think I might have missed that. Can you hear that? That's manta rays. We're at least 100 feet from the edge of the water. More like 200 feet, and they're probably not right at the edge of the water. Is that a tilapia? I don't know what that is. That's how big it is. Put my foot there so you can see. Yeah. Why does that look like a fish? That thing's still pretty sharp. Looks like a little octopus. Oh, it's gone.
No, it's not. It's right there.
Oh, it's all cleaned up. Yeah. Often we watch for whales. This morning we have the rare Cocker Spaniel. Surfaced for... Apparently they can go under for long spells, but this one likes to be on the surface. Go dog go. Huh. These are the rare to see sea cows. They swim from island to island. The big sea cow. There's nobody over there. There's nobody over there. There's nobody there. We were just down that way. There's nobody there. Oh, there is actually. Down by, hey. Come on. Down by our place. Yeah, but that's a long walk. The people walk their dogs, pick up their shit and then pile it on the rock. There's a garbage can right there. I don't know what that means. Alien.
Oh yeah.
The alien was here. Looks to me like a tuna, but I don't know my fish. Well, what's left of a tuna?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you know what? I've seen a little bit of that red stuff way.
Yeah, we had two, and he just shot it out when he was.
He looks tired.
Yeah, he does. Yeah.
I know the feeling, my friend.
Here's some more of that. Yeah.
Don't get excited there. I think I got him. 12 feet away. Of course, with the GoPro looked like 100. That's our lizard. Oh, you might get lucky today. There's a herd of pterodactyl. Okay, I'm not even getting up to help her. As you noticed, I've had a flu for a week. I might have had COVID. I'm just getting over it now. But I'm not going to get tested because, oh, there it is. She's going to let it float away. They're hard to get up on days like this due to the, yeah, tipping them over is not so good there, hon. Atta girl. She knows what she's doing. These are the two best rocks on this stretch of beach. That one's crazy. There they are. And out north we send the old people out on the ice bowls. Down here in Mexico we send the kids out on the boat. Didn't make it. Oh, there's one right there. Two of them. Pieces of them. They're everywhere right now. Can't touch those. Apparently if you touch those, it can be owie. We got big, another one here. Look at that. They're being washed. We got some crazy surf here, like we just come back from Cabo and the beach has actually changed. It's not the same. Are you okay?
It doesn't look okay.
I don't know.
Is he missing some legs?
taking a break.
You want to catch him? Just kind of watch his tail. Why is he coming in? Is he trying to go right up on shore? Seems like it. Feel it. Like that forever. He's swimming. Buddy, you're going the wrong way.
60-70 pound test. Nothing's gonna break that. Here is the puffer fish. Dangerous even in the rest. Wake up, little fish. Very next day, March the 5th, there's hardly any wind at all. No wind, like just a light breeze. It is just going to be a steamer of a day. Probably 27, 28 degrees Celsius. But look at the ocean. The moon's changing or something. Like the ocean's pretty fired up this morning. Pretty beautiful. Nothing in the water. But we're talking 28 degrees on almost a daily basis. It is smoking. Beautiful. Wind every couple of days, followed by this for a couple of days. The wind patterns are slowly dying. This is the Gulf of California. An arm of the Pacific, so to speak. Look how calm. Paddleboard heaven.